In this video, we will create a review post API so the user can write a review. So let's create a new file under routes and name it review.js. And then you want to type const router equals to require express router. And then you want to model exports this router. And now let's type router.post and then reviews product ID, a sing, and then a callback. And then here will be try and catch. And then we want to copy. Let's just go to res.status 500 and go back to review and paste it in here. And then in a try block, const review equals to new review. Oops, new review. And then we have to require or import the review model. I'm going to change this to review. And now review.headline equals request.body.headline, and review.body equals to request.body.body, and then review.ratings equals to request.body.rating, and then review.photo equals to request.file.location, and review.user equals to request.decoded._id, and then review.product ID equals to request.params.product ID. So we get this product ID from the parameter, and we get a request.decoded ID from verify token, which is the middleware to verify to see the token. And then we have to import the middleware equals to require middlewares. Alright. And after that, we want to update our product by pushing an ID to its array. So if you go to product under models, it's an array of ratings. So we have to push that review into this rating array, right? So in order for us to do that is we have to copy this, paste it here, and change it to product, because we need a product schema in here as well. And then in here we call await product dot update, and then you want to push and then you want to push the review dot id. Simple as that. And then finally you want to save the review equals to await review review.save. And then we check if save review, and then response with a success true, and a message successfully added review. Alright. So we forgot to do one more thing, is what if we have more than one middleware. So right now we have one middleware, but we forgot to put one more middleware, which is request.file location. Where do we get this? So first let's import that middleware first, which should be upload equals to require middlewares, and then upload photo. Okay. And in order for us to pass more than middleware in our API, we have to pass in an array, and then type upload.single and then photo. So what is going on here is that we are writing a review post API, and then we supply it with a name reviews and a parameter which is product ID, and then we pass an array of middleware. So how it works here is, first it will go to verify token, and it will check in. If it's successful, then only it will go to the next middleware, which is upload a single photo. So we want verify token to go first because we want to validate whether the user is valid or not. And then if it is valid, then only we go to the second middleware, which is the uploading a photo to S3. Then we go to this part, which is saving the review. All right, we set all the data in here: headline, body, the rating, the file location, which is from S3, and decoded from the token, and then parameter from this parameter. And then we push the review ID to the array of, which is in, let's go to our product.js, and then we push it to this array. Simple as that, because we are reference to review, so we have to pass in the ID to this array. We check if review is safe, then you want to respond success true, and a message successfully added review. And then in a catch block, if there's an error, then we simply want to respond with a status 500 and success false and the error message. And the last thing we need to do is we need to register this API. So let's go to server.js. Now you want to copy this, paste it here, change this to review routes, then off to review instead. Then copy this, paste it here, change to review routes as well. So in order for us to test this API, it's better if we create the HTML element and then we just test it on the spot. So in the next video, we are going to create the get review API. I'll see you guys in the next video.